Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to solve this question in which it is given that let's read the question carefully what we need to solve in this question. You all can see this figure and it is asked that in right triangle ABC, right angle at C, M is the point on the hypotenuse AB, C is joined to M and produced to point D such that DM is equal to CM. Point D is joined to point D as you all can see in figure. We need to show following points, that is triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, then angle DBC is right angle, then triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, and then CM is equal to half of AB. So we'll write it given. What is given, that we will write in triangle ABC, angle ACB is 90 degree, AM is equal to BM, DM is equal to CM, and these are in RTP. Let's begin the proof. First of all, we will take triangle AMC and triangle BMD. Now in these two triangles, AM is equal to BM, that is given. Okay, AM is equal to BM, that is given. After this, we will write it angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, and the reason will be vertically opposite angle. Okay, so two things we got it. Now we need one more thing. So here, before writing for third thing, we have written the reason, that is vertically opposite angle, and then we can say that CM is equal to DM. This is also given. So the triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by side angle side congruency. Now if triangle become congruent, then their corresponding sides are equal, that is AC is equal to BD. We will write reason simplicity, and after that one more thing we will write, that is angle ACM is equal to angle BDM for same reason simplicity. Why I have written? Because since pair of alternate angle are equal, then the line must be parallel. That concept we will use here. Here angle ACM and angle BDM both are equal as they are alternate angle. So since pair of alternate angle are equal, so line must be parallel. That reason we will write it. So which two line will be parallel? That is AC and BD. So AC is parallel to BD. Now if AC is parallel to BD, then we all know BC will act as a transversal, and angle ACB plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree. We can write reason co-interior angle, allied angle, or consecutive angle. After this, we proved right now that one of the angle, that is angle ACB, is 90 degree given. So 90 degree plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree, and angle ACB is equal to 90 degree given. After this, what we can say, that angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. I hope in this you all can see that how to prove this part. That is the third part. We proved there those two angles will be equal to 90 degrees. Second part. Now for proving third part, we will take those two triangles. One triangle is DBC, another triangle is ACB. First one is DB is equal to AC, that we have proved above in simplicity. Next part will be angle DBC is equal to angle ACB, each 90 degree, and then we can say that BC is equal to BC, that is common, or CB is equal to CB, again that is same thing, that is common. So triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by side angle side congruency. And if triangle become congruent by simplicity, we can say that CD is equal to AB. Now we all know, to prove fourth part, CM plus DM is equal to AB, because CD can be splitted at CM plus DM, and CM and DM both we have proved equal. So CM plus CM is equal to AB. So we will replace DM by CM, because we have proved that, or it is given that CM is equal to DM. So how many CM? 2 CM is equal to AB, or CM is equal to half of AB. So in this way we will prove this question. I hope the solution of this question was clear. Now we will go for the next part. You all can see this figure. Now what is given in this figure? Let's read it. This is the question that I have taken so that the concept of criteria of congruency will be clear. So here in this triangle, the bisector AD of angle A. It means that it bisects angle A. The bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to BC. It is given that in triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to BC, that is perpendicular also. We need to show this AB is equal to AC. For showing this ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let's write given. In triangle ABC, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is given, and AD is perpendicular to BC. These two things was given. We need to prove that AB is equal to AC or ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let's begin the proof. We will take those two triangles. One triangle is BAD, another triangle is CAD. Now in these two triangles, it is given that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. We will write reason given. After this, AD is equal to AD. This is common in both the triangles, so we will write common part. And the third part that we will going to write is angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree. Okay, so these two triangles, that is triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by angle side angle congruency rule. And if triangle become congruent, by simplicity we can say that AB is equal to AC, or AB is equal to AC, so triangle become isosceles triangle. Okay, now see here what we will do. This is the next part that I have taken for you, that is the property of a triangle. So in this property of triangle, you must know that so many properties you have already heard it. Now here what we will do, property of triangle related to the congruency. So you have studied two criteria of congruency of triangle. Which two criteria of congruency we studied, we will discuss, and later on we will going to apply its result also. So you have studied two criteria for congruency of triangle. Now let us apply these results to prove some of the properties of triangle. Got it? Now we will apply those two congruency criteria to prove the property of triangle. So what was that property? That property was related to a triangle whose two sides are equal. Okay, whose two sides are equal. This property that we will going to prove it, whose two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Which type of triangle it is called? It is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, so a triangle in which two sides are equal is said to be an isosceles triangle. So this is very important theorem because its application is there in next exercise. That's why we are discussing here. So that is theorem 7.2. What was that statement of this theorem? Is angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angle opposite to equal side, it means that two sides are equal, and those two opposite sides which was equal opposite to that angle will also be equal. So it is clearly known that it is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. So this result can be proved in many ways. One of the way which can be proved I have shown here. You all can prove by different way also. It's no issue. It can be proved in many way. One of the proof I have shown here. You all can see this one. First of all, we will write given. So in given we will write in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC because it is an isosceles triangle. RTP, we will write angle BABD is equal to angle ACD because angle opposite to equal side. Construction, what we will do, draw AD which bisect angle A. Draw AD which bisect angle A. Let's begin the proof. We will take two triangle. One is triangle ABD, another one is triangle CAD. First of all, AB is equal to AC. This is given in the question, so we just write it. Then angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction because AD bisect angle A, we assume in construction. Next one is AD is equal to AD. This is common for both the triangle. So triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by side angle side congruency rule. And if triangle become congruent, by simplicity we can say that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, and the reason will be CPCT. I hope the solution of this question was clear. So that is theorem 7.2, which was angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now next one theorem is 7.3, which is again the converse of 7.2 theorem, and it is said that the side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. This was said in this theorem 7.3, which is converse of theorem 7.2, and statement said that side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal, which is known as, this is converse theorem 7.2. And you can do the proof in same way by taking its converse. Okay, so I hope till this it is clear. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my personal window. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone.